Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial is gonna be a tutorial about how to edit view only and comment only files in Google Sheet application. So the first thing you have to do, open your Google Sheet, and now let's jump into the tutorial. So for the next step is just choosing the documents, which documents that you want to share or given access, and whenever you already find it, you just need to go click these three small dots on the documents, and after you click it, you just need to go into the manage access. In this manage access, go into the general access and change from restricted into anyone with a link. And after you change the restricted into anyone with the link, there will be another options here to change or to set. You just need to go click it. If you want to make the documents or the files only can be viewed by people, you just need to go click viewer. And now we just need to go click this part to copy the link, and the link is ready to share into other people. But then if you want to make the files is only able to be comment, so you just need to go click this part again and change from viewer into commenter. And whenever this part is already changed, you just need to copy the link again and send into other people. So that's the way how to edit view only and comment only files in Google Sheet. If you find out today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.